Oh man, I'm getting away. I got all the money and I'm getting away. What are you gonna do about it? I don't like this green voice. I've said it many times before today, but I'm gonna say it again. I fucking hate this green Vortigaunt. He just reminds me so much of communism for some reason. I think he's a communist. I think he secretly really likes the Soviet Union. And I think he's trying to spread the communism. I think this robot is doing it as well. I hate this robot, and I know for a fact that Wallace Breen is definitely trying to spread the communism. I fucking hate Wallace Breen. Stupid Wallace Breen. I don't like Wallace Breen.